The below code has been returned to represent the package weight check process based on the weight limit specified by an airline. Go through the below code and guess the output. So there is a variable called as weight limit. Then these are function definitions. So I need to look at now because the next line number 1 and then the flow moves to line number 14. So these function definitions will be called when there is a function call. Okay. So the airline allows package limit till weight limit 30 kgs. So we know the weight limit is 30 kgs. So they want us to guess the output. Then pay the extra package charge of package check 35. Weight limit is 30. So we give 35. We pass the weight as a 35. Now this method is called package check method is called. So 35 is taken. Extra package charge we need to calculate. If it is greater than 0 and less than weight limit is 30. If it is between 0 and 30 and they have given a not. If it is not between 0 and 30, if it is above 35, right, then we'll have to calculate extra package charges. So package weight is 35, weight limit is 30, so minus 5, extra package is 5, 35 minus 30, so 5. So extra package charge is equal to extra package 35 into 100, 500, so it returns this. So pay the extra package charge of 35, right? Then we call this method called update package limit as 45. Previously it was 30, now they want us to update 45. Let's see what happens. So the flow comes here, new weight limit is 45, weight limit is equal to new weight limit. We update weight limit as a new weight limit. The airline now allows limit till 45 kgs. That's the message we get. What will happen if you process this? So since we might think that we have updated the weight limit, so package check of 35 will levy no charges because it is 10 kilos lesser from 45. But actually when this function is called out, the same 500 will be displayed as the output. Let me explain why it is so. You look at the output. So the extra package charge 500 even after the weight limit revision, right? This time it also remains 500. Let's visualize this. Look at this, weight limit is in global frame. Comes down, okay, extra package charge, package weight is 35. You pass it across, the control flow comes here, package weight is checked, the processed, and it is finally 500 it is being written. Now then we move on to update package limit. The flow moves up. Now there is a variable called weight limit. Look at this. So there is a variable called global weight limit under global frame. There is a variable called weight limit under update package limit. This is a function name. This is a method name. This weight limit is acting as a local variable. This weight limit is different from this weight limit. So it does not impact the code here. That is why even after the update package limit, it gives us 500. An explanation, detailed explanation is given here. I believe you should be able to read it carefully and understand stuff. Python does not allow modification of a global variable inside a function directly. So this weight limit is taken a new local variable. In cases where a global variable needs to be modified inside a function, like in function update package limit, Python allows you to do so. Python allows you to do that using the global keyword. So if you use a global weight limit, right, then the value gets updated. So this global keyword refers to the variable which is initialized in the global frame. If you don't mention global, then it will be one of the local variables of the function update package limit. Make the code executable. Fix the code to observe local variable cannot be accessed anywhere outside the owning function. You can comment code without losing functionality. So when you run this program and we get an error message saying line number 21, print extra package, right? This statement. So it is here, extra package, line number 21. So we see that we don't see a variable in a global frame named as extra package. So extra package is inside the method package check. So which means it is not possible here, it is also here extra package. So these are the two places where extra package word variable is being used. So a local variable cannot be accessed anywhere outside the owning function. So if it is local to a function update package limit, then it can be accessed only within it, not outside it. So that's a problem we face. Let's comment this code. Let's run it. Now it says there is a problem with line number 22 again, and comment it. Then it says there is a problem with line number 25. Line number 25 connects to line number 16. So line number 25 is this and line number 16 is this. Useless function to prove a point, right? So let's comment these as well. I'm sure we should be able to get the output. This airline allows package limit till 30 kgs. The pay extra charge of rupees 500. The airline now allows package limit till 45 kgs. The pay extra charge of rupees of 0 rupees. Visualize and observe the following 4 points. Keyword global, which allows to modify global variable weight limit inside update package limit function. Global variable created in the beginning and remains till the end. Global variable can be accessed within any function as well as outside a function. Local variable is created when a function starts, removed when the function completes. Let's visualize this. Weight limit, it is in the global frame. It's created. These are function definitions. We'll have to move to function calls. Okay. Pay extra charge. Now we are calling the function package check of 35. The flow moves in. So the function is created. The global local variable is and its scope is created when the function is called. Only during within this. It starts function creation. Everything starts when the function is called, and it goes away when it ends. Look at this. It starts now, right? And once the return is done, it goes away. And we're going to call this function out, update package limit. So now a function and its variables are created. Right. Now we have used a keyword called as global weight limit. Right. So here it has not created any variable called weight limit. It refers to the variable which is already created in the global frame. So now what are the changes you do? Look at this. It was 30. Now it has become 40. This changes gets reflected in the weight limit variable which comes under global frame. So from this, we are able to observe that keyword global allows to modify global variable weight limit inside update package limit function. Global variable created in the beginning and remains till the end. Global variable is available always. Global variable can be accessed within any function as well as outside a function. Yes. Local variable is created when function starts, removed when the function completes. We witnessed it. In JavaScript, the case is different. JavaScript does not prevent accidental modification of global variable. So since it does not prevent, there is no need of explicit mentioning of a global variable in case it has to be modified inside a function. So weight limit, that's a variable declared here in the global frame. It is also updated within this method update package limit, right? So it works this way. Airline package allows package limit to 30 kgs. Extra package charges 500 rupees. This airline now allows package limit till 45 kgs. Extra package charges 0 rupees. Go also does not prevent accidental modification of global variables. Hence, there is no need of explicit mentioning of global variables in case it has to be modified inside a function. So, variable weight limit, you declare it in global frame and you modify it somewhere inside a method. It permits you to modify. Here is a summary of what we learned so far. Arguments to functions, pass by value, pass by reference, mutable, immutable arguments, function arguments, ordering and default values. Then 4 types: positional, keyword, default and variable argument count. Then variable and its scopes, local and global.